Hi, on this video I'm going to show you the comparison of these two crimping tool with multi-tester with tester package with a tester. So recently I got this from Lazada, and it's looks cool and compact space and more efficient compared to the previous one I have. This is my previous one. It is one pack like that, and it has a crimping tool inside. It's all the way open like this, so you have to patch it. So you have to patch it like that, so it will close. It won't, you can keep it. And one thing about this crimping tool, if you crimp and then if you force, let me put this aside, if you press it a little bit harder, then the blade here will come out, will yank off. And then the other one, if you cut the wire, it is too narrow, then something is difficult, it's not easy to use. Compared to this one, you can lock it on one angle and then rotate it like that, and then it will be adequate, or the cutting of the wire is more consistent compared to the other one. And this one is always open, there's no lock. This one, if you close it halfway, it's locked. If you all the way press down, it will unlock and you can open it. So if you can hear the click like that, then it's unlocked. If you have a click like that halfway, then it's locked. And the good thing about this tester is once it doesn't it's automatically off the power. Compared to this tester, if you on it and you forgot to close, if you forgot to off, and then let's say you leave the place, because you cannot see whether it's, sometimes if you are outside it's too bright and you cannot even identify whether this one is working or not. So if you remove the wire, you may not notice your tooth is off already. It happens to me several times. I just unplug the wire, I thought it's already off, and then I didn't realize I forgot to off here. And when the next time I use it, there's no more battery, and the battery here is quite big, it's large. And if you're going on site or going to the places, it's not easy to bring, and it's bulky. Compared to this one, it's compact, and once you run the test, it only run once. Let me plug this in. So I just plug in, and if you run the test, it will run only once, one time when you press it. Then when you unplug this one, you don't have to worry that battery will last and will finish, because it's automatically off. And the good thing here is you can, the battery here is located in this behind 3 LR44 battery. Let me show you how to open it. So there the battery is, and you can actually remove these things out. So you can actually remove these things, both sides. Just, there is a lock over here, just press both sides, also on the other side. So press it up and push it up. It's quite difficult using one hand. So I got it. So the tester itself is quite compact. It's compact and more lighter compared to the previous tester that I got. So this one also can remove in case it's not working or something, I don't know. But I like this crimping tool compared to the previous one. Yeah, I like it so much. I think that's why I make this video, and thank you for watching.